You people are making a gigantic mess, you know. There's Jackie Medina hammering a wall. Over here, Gus is, what are we doing here? Caleb, can you describe the operation here?
Destroy.
Destroy. Alright. Abby, how's it going? This is your first time demolishing a room?
Yeah.
Except the one you live in at home, right? Alright. Who's that down there? Is that Aaron? No, that's Sophia. Paige, how's it going?
Very good.
Alright.
Hungry.
Hungry. Lunch in about 20 minutes, people. Alright, Maddie, let's see some labor here. I like your technique. You're getting your pants dirty, Maddie. You know that?